to the code kit.
littleBits are electronic building blocks that snap together using magnets, and what's really cool is they're real simple to use. This code kit is packed with everything you will need in order to engage your young people in game-based coding and engineering. There's a detailed bit index that includes everything you need to know about your bits. This is the code bit, and it is the brains of the whole operation. The LED matrix for creating cool animations and messages, new and improved speaker for adding awesome sound effects to your games, and a whole bunch more.
The littleBits Code Kit was made with educators for educators. We've created tons of helpful support materials like videos, customizable lessons, and student invention tools. The littleBits Code Kit also comes with a brand new free app for your classroom computers to guide your students through the coding experience. The app comes fully loaded with 12 code tutorials, instructions for 4 inventions, and so much more.
And this is a rechargeable battery. Game changer.
Because there are already inventions that are pre-programmed in the app, you're really able to get started right away.
Ponytail.
I did that.
This is one of the very few kits that I've found that these students can create something, have a final product, code it, and then immediately see the results of that.
So to make this animated, we put do forever block, and then here we put 3 images.
And so only when the button is pushed does it complete the circuit.
And so we thought to mix the colors, and we thought that was really awesome.
This kit is designed to make sure anyone, even if you have no computer science experience whatsoever, can teach coding right out of the box.
So, geek out and game on.